Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to watch UFC on your Meta Quest 3. So at first, just take out this navigation bar pressing the Meta button on your controller. And as you take out the navigation bar, go in the library. And as you open the library, go for Meta Quest TV, as you can see it right here. And just open this app. And as you open it, go in the search bar and type UFC. And as you search it, you can see the UFC channel videos right here. And just select any of the UFC videos you want to watch for yourself. So guys, that's how you watch UFC on your Meta Quest 3. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.